What company owns Monzo? Hook. What is the biggest bank in the world? Introduction. In this video, we're going to answer the question, what company owns Monzo? Before we get into the answer, let's take a step back and talk about what Monzo is. Monzo is a neobank that was founded in 2015. It is based in the United Kingdom and offers a variety of banking services, including current accounts, credit cards, and loans. Monzo is a popular choice for young people and is known for its innovative features, such as its budgeting tools and its ability to track your spending in real time. So, now that we know what Monzo is, let's get back to the question, what company owns Monzo? Answer. The answer is that Monzo is not owned by a traditional bank. It is owned by a holding company called Monzo Bank Limited. Monzo Bank Limited is a subsidiary of Monzo plc, a publicly traded company that is listed on the London Stock Exchange. Monzo plc is owned by a number of shareholders, including Baillie Gifford and Company, TPG, SoftBank Group, Excel, Thrive Capital. Additional information. Monzo was founded by Tom Blomfield, who is still the company's CEO. Monzo has over 5 million customers. Monzo is one of the fastest growing banks in the UK. Conclusion. So there you have it. Monzo is not owned by a traditional bank. It is owned by a holding company called Monzo Bank Limited, which is a subsidiary of Monzo plc, a publicly traded company. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Monzo, I encourage you to check out their website or download their app. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay curious. Additional tips. Use visuals to help illustrate your points. Use a conversational tone to make your video more engaging. Keep your video to a reasonable length, around 10 minutes or less. End your video with a call to action. Here are some additional questions you could answer in your video. What are the benefits of using Monzo? What are the drawbacks of using Monzo? How does Monzo compare to other neobanks? What is the future of Monzo? By answering these questions, you can create a more comprehensive and informative video about Monzo. I hope this helps.